Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Logic Pro Live and loading a minimal live set so you control complexity. Connect and select your audio interface, set buffer to 128/256 samples for reliable monitoring, and enable low latency mode when tracking. Create and name core tracks, drums, bass, keys, and map inputs immediately so routing is consistent. Once done, color code tracks and lock your scene order. This gives you fast navigation on stage and prevents accidental scene moves during performance. Now construct performance patches by grouping instruments into track stacks and routing stems to aux buses for easy effect sends. Layer instruments when you need splits or blends and save each combination as a patch for quick recall. Map MIDI controllers. Assign pads to mute/group, knobs to send levels and effect parameters, and a foot switch to scene advance. Make a tempo map and configure click behavior. Then build transition scenes and crossfades so song changes feel natural and sync stays intact. When you're ready to perform, rehearse the entire set while automating volume rides and effect recalls so you can focus on expression. Save incremental snapshots and back up the live set to an external drive. This secures recalls if something fails. During the show, monitor CPU and dropouts. If problems arise, increase buffer or engage direct monitoring and disable non-essential plugins. One troubleshooting tip: if MIDI mapping stops responding, toggle MIDI, input routing, and reassign the controller to force a fresh connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.